invite Grace Neo, the acting president of the Second Students' Council, to say a few words. Grace, please.
Thank you, Anushka. A very good evening to Mr. Paul Koh, Chairman of Oldham Hall Management Committee, Mr. David Chua, Executive Director of ACS Oldham Hall, Student Council Advisors, Ms. Chang Yi and Mr. Andrew Lim, AHMs, the first, second and third Student Council, distinguished guests and fellow boarders. It is an honor for me today to stand here and speak in front of you on behalf of the Second Students' Council. It has already been 1 year since the Second Student Council took over from the First Student Council, and today, the Third Student Council will be continuing this legacy. First and foremost, allow me to acknowledge the members of the Second Student Council who are no longer with us in the hostel. The President, Lee Hui-si, who is unable to be with us today, Secretary, Melissa Chanda Saputra, Treasury, Nguyen Queen Feng, Pasini Panitna Tarapur, Nicholas Chan, who is no longer in Singapore, and last but not least, Mr. Ricky Chandra, who is now at AHM in the hall. Being in the Second Student Council has indeed been a life-giving experience. We strive through many things together, from rejected proposals to brainstorming for ideas to organizing events. The four walls in the Student Council meeting room have faithfully witnessed us shouting at each other, laughing together, and crying together. It is a different experience altogether to be working with people of different ages, schools, and nationalities. After working with each other for a year, we definitely understood each other better and probably have learned to be more tolerant with each other. As the Second Student Council, throughout our 1 year of service, we organize many events and activities for the boarders. We believe that the boarders' welfare should be taken care of because we care. We try as much as we can to make the staying experience in Oldham Hall a meaningful one. For example, Oldham Hall's farewell dance is a major event we organize for the graduating batch of 2006 as a farewell for them. But we know that things will not work out if it's always one way. So, with that, we organize a number of feedback sessions for the boarders to voice out their opinions on hostel issues. To the Second Student Council, thank you for being a team. The differences did not hinder us from making a difference in the hall. Keep the SC spirit burning and may the friendship we fostered live on. To the incoming batch, I wish you all the best in dedicating your services to our fellow boarders. Under the wings of the President Nico and with the assistance from Mohan, I believe that all of you can go far and uphold the name of the Student Council. I quote our friendly neighborhood superhero that with great powers come great responsibility. Being in the council does not mean that we have great powers, but no matter what, there is still a degree of responsibility that all of you should have. Finally, to end my speech, I would like to call upon Christabel, Cindy, and Lindora from the Second Student Council to join me for a short presentation.
Hi everyone, we are from the Second Student Council. We would like to dedicate this song to two very special people who have helped us through our term in council very much. And the title of this song is The Night Before, which is actually the timeline that we came up with the song last night.
We